Yo, what's going on, guys? So, 5 minutes to market open. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. So, first off, we're rejecting off this 4 hour gap here, and also in this 4 hour gap here. So, we're rejecting off a bearish 4 hour gap, and we're in a 4 hour bullish gap. So, I'd probably want to see where price moves to before making a move, just because we're in this fair value gap sandwich. Let me actually delete. Got this. Maybe want to hit down here. If we see strong movement down, and then go on to the hourly, inversing this 1 hour, this small 1 hour here. I'll mark this out in case we want to go higher, but we already took out previous day highs. So I don't really want to see us move up. So what else here? That's about it. I think 15 minutes, is that giving us anything? Not really. I want to see us hit London low here. Maybe go down. So this is 63 points away. Market opens up in 3.5 minutes. I don't really see a fantastic entry. I think Topstep did fix their AWS, which is good. I mean, if it was down for more than a day, they better be giving us like some fresh accounts. Yeah, they fixed it. So Amazon Cloud was down. Apparently, uh, Topstep X is part of or uses AWS services for their cloud. So that's why everything went down. And there's a little bit of background noise because people are doing construction outside. It's pretty brutal. It's all good. So what do we got here? Okay, still in this 4 hour. So this is London high. Okay. Okay, 10 seconds to market open here. Let's see what it does. It's trending higher. Yeah, I could see us run down here. We'll see what we do. Previous day high, I think it's this candle or this candle. I'm not gonna mark it out because I actually don't know where it is exactly. And then still respecting this 4 hour gap. This bearish 4 hour gap. Okay, so previous day high is right here. I'm actually gonna mark that out. Okay, so market taking out this first swing low. Right, looks like it wants to go down. We're 20 points away from London low. If we get a retrace here, this will be pretty good to at least hit London. Yeah, pretty strong candles. See if we're doing anything on the 5. No, no, 1 minute. I'm looking at my top step X. Yeah, we're gonna let market play out here a little bit. So we got this 1 minute fair value gap that it just created right here. I want to see it retrace into this before taking anything. Let's see if it runs into it. It's close. Just if it doesn't, like, I'm just gonna sit on my hands. Okay, tapped into it. $44 points away from 4 hour gap. I'm not gonna pre-fire this gap tap exactly because of that. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, I can see it's heading down. Yeah, I think if we get strong volume, I'm just gonna target London low here. Actually, that's not a one-to-one, so I don't know. We'll see. But we're not getting that strong volume down. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It just inversed. That's really strange. Might wait till 10. Just gonna review some notes for my exam because I also have an exam in the afternoon while this plays out because there's no point in staring at the chart if it's not gonna do anything like meaningful. Oh, okay. So we're actually in a 2 minute gap here. And I don't usually use a 2 minute, but since it's rejecting off of something, I want to see what it is. And it seems to be that 2 minute. It's looking decent to go lower. It's like nothing crazy. See? That's a bad close. I don't really like this. Yeah. L close, bro. What is that? Okay. So this is looking a little better. It's still like a one-to-one. Just not gonna take this though. Yeah, still moving weird. Okay. You know what? I don't think it's gonna move anytime soon, so I'm gonna go to the washroom real quick. Like this market is just not probable to take anything actually. So yeah, just gonna go to the washroom. Not gonna be mad if I miss anything. Like it's trending down, but whatever. I'll be on my phone. If I see anything, whatever. So I think I'm actually gonna get into this trade because it's tapping off the 1 minute and getting strong displacement. Hmm. No, actually, yeah, I'm geeking. Sorry. Not gonna get into this because we just see the strongest push up I've ever seen in my life. Let me just mark out this 4 hour gap. Is there anything on the 5 minute? The 5 minute closes in 3 minutes. And the 15 minute closes in 12 minutes. That's pretty bad. No, man. The hell is this PA? Like realistically, if I got into this trade, my break even would have hit really quick, right? Because my break even would have been around here. Let me go into the 1 minute. It'd be at these swing lows. It'd be something like this, targeting 25 points. Like a 26-point stop. And I was just chopping. The higher time frame does have narrative, like this 4 hour is just trending lower after tapping into this 4 hour. Honestly, we could wait for the close on the 4 hour. I think that's what I'm gonna do, even though it's gonna hit 4 hour gap probably. I don't know, it's really based on discretion. Or if we trend up into this 5 minute gap, I think I'll be okay with that too. We got this 5 minute here that if it trends into, I think that'll be pretty cool. No way, I just hope it doesn't take out the 4 hour before we do anything. Yeah, it's gonna take out the 4 hour. No way! No way.
reducing stress and helping you activate.
Okay, there we go. Here are my tabs. Okay. Okay, it actually does want to trend up into this. Yes, okay. It's good, this good, this good, this good, this good. Yeah, so we got this 5 minute. Hopefully it trends up into this 5 minute. If we do and see a push down, that's like textbook entry. I'm gonna enter. Even though we are in this small range, there's easy break evens here to where I'm okay with taking this trade. See what's strange is if you zoom in, it looks like this is like missing by a tick. Oh, whoa. Okay. Okay. Wow. That was some ridiculous volume that just tapped the 5 minute. Now let's see if it wants to push down. Yeah, looks like we are gonna see the push down. My trade is gonna be something like this probably. targeting a 1 to 1.5. I just gotta wait for the candle close. And it's gotta be a good candle close too. I'm not taking no bullshit. Okay. Really? That's what we want to do? That's the worst candle close I've ever seen in my life. That's actually unbearably bad. Let's see if this candle closes better. If we don't get anything by 9:55, like, whatever. Whatever. I'm not even gonna, like, stress about it. No point. Yeah, still in this 5 minute. Hit the equilibrium of this 5 minute. I mean, it hit it before, actually. There's actually no way I woke up for this horrid market, right? Swept London, edged this 4 hour gap. We just want to move higher. Okay, only way I'm getting into this if it inverses this 1 minute. The inversion would be a good indicator that it wants to go down. So let's see. Let's see. Holy shit, what is this volume, man? Okay, well, there's the inverse we wanted. Right, so if we inverse, let me mark up the gap. Because if it closes inside, that's not good. Yeah, it's looking pretty good.
Order filled.
So I'm in here. Let me just. It's actually not that good, that 1 to 1. But break evens like right at this low. My feel is this candle close. Right, inversing that 1 minute, not bad. I could still see us like run down to this 4 hour at least and hit break even. So my break even's this white line here. Nice. It's insta break even. It tapped the 4 hour. Wow. Like if you run back up to break even, that'll be tragic. See, the only problem is since I'm targeting 26 and a half points here, I have to target 26 and a half points down to about here, just based on rules. No way it's gonna hit break even here. Yeah, it looks like it will. Whoa, okay. Yeah, it's gonna hit break even.
Order filled.
Yeah, we just see hard rejection out of it. Like, there's no point in taking a like a 0.5 to 1. That doesn't really make sense to me. So took a break even trade. Now we can just sit on our hands and wait for something else. If I don't see anything else, it's not that deep. Like, where's previous day low here? Previous day low is all the way down here. I don't think we're gonna hit it. We're probably gonna run back up to previous day high and take out all-time high. Let me just mark that out real quick. Yeah, and I'd want to see a reversal after hitting this 4 hour. So that wasn't a bad trade. Unfortunately, it just hit break even because like our RRR was kind of cooked. Risk to reward. It's all good. So that's trade number one. I'm actually gonna higher time frame. Not bad. It had narrative, so that's why I was pretty confident in the trade. Did I actually make equal lows here? No, it swept it by a tick, which is what we usually want to see. Like I usually put my TP to one tick below it because we always want to see PA sweep the drawn liquidity instead of just tapping it, right? And a sweep would be like anything past a tick. It looks like we do have the CISD. Oh no, never mind. Wow. Or yeah, we do. Huge um SMT, not CISD, SMT. Yeah, 10 a.m. but a close bearish with a 4 hour candle, creating this new gap here that we could target. Oh no, this is the new candle. What? We just saw 26 seconds. Oh, it's because I was on the 1 minute. Okay. So we are bearish overall here. See if we got any other targets. Nope. Okay, market's actually doing nothing. I'm really tempted to just hop off. Like it's just chopping into in this range. We're not seeing strong volume up to the upside like after hitting this 4 hour gap. So I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think there's anything to take in this market anymore unless we go for New York open highs and like these swing highs and that's about it. And then we target like the hourly gap. But that'll take like years with this volume. So let's see. Finally, we're getting some decent volume. As I say that, we're not gonna get anything. We get this okay push up. Like, it's not even that good. Like, we want to see it like retrace all the way up for us to even consider taking another trade. Bruh, accidentally opened that up. What sea does China border? I'm so bad with seas. Like, I know my geography a little bit. Put a gun to my head, I wouldn't know. What sea it borders? The Pacific. But it's also called the South China Sea. Okay. Okay, but it's the Pacific Ocean. I meant ocean. Okay. Okay, some decent volume up. Let's see, 5 minute. 5 minute looks strong to the upside, to be fair. 15 also looking pretty strong. We're gonna hit this 15-minute gap right here. If we inverse this, we can look for an entry to the upside. Break even would probably be New York AM. Let's see. Okay, bang, that's a tap into it. We just go on to 15. There's still 10 minutes till this candle closes. Wow, okay. I mean, we're gonna want to see this candle close, so just gonna dial in for the next 10 minutes. Maybe even make a bagel. Wait, I just realized ES has the most disgusting day gap I've ever seen in my life. Holy shit. Okay. No, it's not even a day gap. It's a. Oh, it's. I think it's because of the servers being down yesterday. So it's not showing like the full picture here on ES. But we do have this SMT with NQ being more bearish, right? Yeah. Because ES is right here on the graph. Oh, okay. Sorry. So this is what ES is looking like. There's this big gap because of the AWS outage. And then ES taking out these highs while NQ's lagging behind. So NQ's a lagging index and ES is a leading index in terms of like volume up or like bullish volume. There's not really a gap on ES either. I mean, there is on the 5 minute. I actually inverse the 5 minute. NQ, yeah, like really lagging behind. We do have this 5 minute. We want to see it close above this 15-minute gap to confirm our bullish bias and to see if we can take another trade. If not, I'm done for the day. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I probably won't talk for the next 6, okay, 6 minutes. Okay, it's completely inversing. Holy. Yeah, if we inverse this, I'm actually off for the day. And I'm just gonna end the video. One trade, hit break even. It's all good. Sticking to my rules, understanding the market better. I'm gonna keep back testing. I'm gonna keep journaling. It's all good. It's all good. Okay, I'm cutting out a cue card that's 3 by 5 inches for my exam today because we're allowed to have a cue card as a cheat sheet, but this is the smallest shit I've ever seen in my life. Damn. Holy shit, look at that bearish volume. That's insane. Wow. Okay. Yeah, it just dumped like 50, 60 points. 80? Yeah, it just dumped 80 points. Nah, yeah, definitely not taking a trade anymore today. No point. Market conditions are improbable, except for that like SMT with the inverse. Yeah, okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here. There's no point in watching the market anymore. I'm just gonna like take a shower and review for my exam. Okay, take it easy, guys.